where to first do circle, and with this circle I creating the character. So I make the circle first. So try to draw the make as much as possible nice circle. And in this circle,
Sir, this is a drawing, sir, or just practice?
this is a drawing. We start the drawing directly. Okay, in this circle I create one character, you guys create a one character. Okay, so see here I create one simple circle and make a line here and here, the eyes. Okay,
Sir, should we draw this?
yeah, so you guys draw one page, two character. See, I draw one, and in this character I can draw the main character. For example, I show you. See,
नहीं, just make a circle first.
first make a circle, okay, and that dots is very simple. Okay, just create a circle and make it dots, and I create a character over here. Okay, simple character I draw over here. Okay,
You have to draw one.
yeah, you just draw this character, beta. This is circle.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
So this is Nitin and Keshav can't be today.
Oh, okay. Keshav is not attending today. Okay.
Yes,
Sure. No problem, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. So now I just go to after that. I creating the character. Okay. Yes. Now I give the other character. Yes. Can you try your own? Try your own. One is an oval. Okay. And one
Sir?
is like this. Yes, beta.
Should we draw two circles?
Yeah, you got two circle. One circle I draw and show how to character, and one circle you can try your own. All are okay. So be creative. This circle I draw one character on my idea, and this character you make your idea. So you can draw the two circle. One circle for copy my drawing, and one circle you create your own drawing. Okay, that's the reason. So I draw here one nose, one eyeball, maybe here the nose and the small mouth, and this line, no beta, this line, you see here I can create the ear like this. Okay beta, this is the ear, simple ear. And now the time to draw here. So fantastic, here you can draw like this. Okay, like this, and here like this. See this here, right? So I create one character, amazing character. This character for animations, movie, cartoon. Okay, how create character I show you. So, and it is for you can do your own ideas. Okay, is that possible? It's quite possible. So you can make it a marker with this character. Okay. So you can create the character. Okay. So step by steps I show you. Take your time, okay? First make this character, and after that you make your own character. Anything else? I can give ideas. Okay, I can give ideas this character like this. Animals. I can make animals from this. See, I just make like this. Make the nose like this. Okay, done. Yes. Now you can see this character. Okay, Rita? Just see. You can see like this. So you can see my drawing. Huh? Cheers. So,
Sir, is that a dog?
yeah. You can make it. I make the dog here. Yeah, correct. So first draw this character. So I can make the doggy this nose like this. Okay. See the same circle, but I'm creating something new, isn't it? So I hope you enjoy. Yeah, we have some new student today. And I want to introduce this students. Just a minute. The name. Hi Drishka, how are you? Drishka, new joining. Hi Srijan. Good morning. Actually, it's coming today. Yeah. Hi Divya, how are you? Divya, is your name Drishika?
No, my name is Drishka.
Drishka, so sweet name, beta. How are you?
I'm fine.
Wow, have a good day and start the drawing.
Yes.
Yes. So, hi Nandit, the Srijans can start the drawing. Hi Niranjan. Wow, that's good. Let's start this one. Okay, this circle. So you can make this nose and make the mouth like this. So see, this is this circle, but I creating the two character, one human, one animal. So circle is a common character, right? Isn't it? It's so amazing.
Sir, I need my own character.
Oh my God, Amaya, it's so sweet, beta. It's so nice, so creative, you know. I like that. I like that.
We should
We will
do
try
this.
next class. Okay, ma'am. Yes. Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है आपको बनाना है यू जैसे बनाओ ना यहाँ से
आराम से. Yes. Yeah. Deepa beta, you have a brave girl and you can confidence, okay beta? Now mama is help, but you can do it, okay? You try yourself also. Very nice. Very nice beta. Wow, Neil, you are so smart. How do fast drawing? How much time you train? Okay, so in this two drawing you can wait few minutes, we can go color, huh? Okay? If you wait few minutes, you can play with the dinosaurs. You need this character. You can take this. If you need, take this character. You wait 2 minutes, okay? Yeah. Your friend is watching. Yeah. I had one another time, so I don't know where it is. So this is all your friends. They're watching you drawing. Wait. I have one dinosaur. Let's just check where it is. T-Rex I have. T-Rex. What the T-Rex? Done, beta?
Yes, sir. Can you see my video?
Yeah, please show, beta.
Done, sir.
So, wow. Oh, you do this character? Very good. Okay. Can you show others are finished? If you finish, we are going to the color, okay? So, first finish the drawing. आराम से करो. Then you can just start the color. So, I start the color. You have a color, beta? You have color?
Sir, I have finished my drawing.
Okay, okay. If you finish, please show me, okay?
Sir, can you see?
Yes, I can see. Just show me. Just a minute. Go to here. Wow, that's great, beta.
Thank you, sir.
It's really nice. I like it. Yes, I like it. I like it. A pillar banana. I like it. Okay, so if you finish, then you can show me, okay, beta? Just that's it. So now, okay, you can start the color. Yeah, this is right. You have a color? See, if you don't have, then you can use this color, okay? No problem. So, you can use this skin color, beta. Okay, your pencil color. Okay, you can use. Yeah, you can use. Yeah, then use this color, yellow color. Okay, I just make the first I not color go outside. First time the two things is important. Not color going outside. Try, okay. I just still try not color going to the outside. So and inside full color. Okay, no any white space. So everywhere put this. And as soon as you can make this color over here. सर ब्रेकफास्ट हुआ सर?
हाँ सर.
मैं जान नहीं पाया. अब कुछ माइंड तो मत किया ना?
जी हाँ मैडम थे.
बहुत माइंड किया.
तो
कुछ माइंड किया मैंने नहीं.
किस चीज़ का माइंड करूँगा?
नहीं,
आप ये सब बात क्यों बोलते रहो?
ऐसा ही मैंने थोड़ा चेक
अरे
किया.
आप बिजी रहोगे बोल के मैंने तो डेस्क भी छोड़ दिया. आप काम करो. अपना काम डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं होना है.
नहीं अब इसको मैं कोई काम नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं सिर्फ इसको रिकॉर्डिंग चल
मैं
रहा है.
चाहता हूँ ना अभी आप ना अभी क्लासेस कर रहे हो ना. ये आपका जो वीकेंड क्लासेस है वो जरूरी है क्योंकि ये वीकडेज में नहीं पढ़ता है. नहीं तो आप क्या क्लास को भी रिपीट कर सकते हो. ये कर सकते हो ना.
और ये तो बात सही है.
हाँ,
थोड़ा सा
तो ये बहुत ये है.
और मतलब इसको
चलो ये ऑफलाइन अटेंड करता है ना.
ये ऑफलाइन अटेंड और भी दो चार था. उसको एग्जाम मार्च है ना. सब एग्जाम चल रहे हैं तो नेक्स्ट आएगा. So I can create a brown signer. What color I'm using? I'm using the brown signer. I'm using the flesh tint. I'm using this two color and the black little bit of, okay. So this two color basically I'm using and black. So I show here the color name also brown signer, flesh tint and black. These three color you can use. Okay, beta. But here is a brown signer, brown. You have a brown, or you can use it from here also, right, beta? Yes. Good. This
Any brown?
yes, beta. Any brown you can use, beta. You can use any brown.